Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to reset an Omron blood pressure monitor. Now, if your readings look incorrect, the memory is full, or the device is behaving strangely, resetting it can often solve the problem. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to understand that Omron blood pressure doesn't have a traditional factory reset button like phones. Instead, you usually clear the stored memory or reinitialize the device. So in order to basically start clearing the memory, you just have to first of all turn off the monitor, then simply press and hold the start or the stop button. While holding the start or the stop button, just keep holding until you see the display change or the memory clears. Now, on many Omron models, this removes the saved readings. If your device has separate user profiles like user 1 or user 2, you can select the correct user before clearing the memory. For the basic system refresh, simply remove the batteries from the monitor and wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then reinsert the batteries. So what this is going to do is it is going to help eliminate any temporary glitches or display related issues. Now remember that resetting doesn't fix the hardware faults or the sensor damage. If the device repeatedly gives you the error, you can consult the manual or service report. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.